Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to resize an image in Canva. Hold one side of the image and drag it. Now let's stretch the image from the other side. Now double click on the image. Now we can move the image to show the desired part. Click on Done, right click on image and select Set Image as Background. And we can repeat this step with selection of part of the image. Another way is to select the image and click on Edit Photo. Click on Crop and choose the aspect ratio that suits an image. Next, replace this frame and tap on Done. After that, you can expand an image. Click on Resize and resize the layout to match the size of the image. After that, click Apply in the professional or trial versions. If you have a free version, then you will have to create a new layout of the required size. Click on Create a Design, select Custom Size and set the size to 682 by 1358. Create new design, open the previous project, right-click on this image, copy it and right-click on a new design and paste it here. After that, you can place the image on the entire layout without cropping. Set image as background. It's perfect. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe. Have a nice day. See you next time.